Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. And today we are stepping inside a truck that is rewriting the rule book of long-haul luxury. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 isn't just another rig. It's a rolling mansion on wheels that takes comfort, technology, and power to a whole new level. At first glance, the bold aerodynamic design and futuristic lighting make it look like something straight out of the next decade. But once you step inside, that's when the real surprise begins. The cabin instantly greets you with soft-touch premium materials, ambient LED lighting that adapts to your mood, and a massive digital cockpit loaded with the latest driver assist technology. Everything is designed to make long hours on the highway feel effortless. With a panoramic smart display, haptic steering controls, and a fully integrated AI assistant that responds to voice commands. This is not just a driver's seat. It feels like you're piloting a luxury jet across the asphalt. But the real magic of the T2000 is hidden behind the cabin. The sleeper area has been transformed into what truckers are calling a 5-star apartment. Imagine opening the door to find a cozy living space with a plush sofa, a wall-mounted 4K smart TV, and built-in surround sound just steps away. You'll find a modern kitchenette equipped with a sleek induction cooktop, compact refrigerator, and microwave oven, giving drivers the ability to cook full meals on the road. Move further inside and you'll discover a spacious bedroom with a full-size bed, premium mattress, and storage cabinets that feel like a walk-in closet compared to older trucks. Even the bathroom is upgraded with a shower system that rivals luxury RVs, making life on the road more comfortable than ever before. It's not just about surviving the journey anymore, it's about enjoying every mile like you're at home. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 isn't just about luxury, though. Underneath all this comfort lies raw power. Equipped with an advanced hybrid diesel-electric engine, it delivers incredible torque while saving fuel, and the adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride even with heavy loads. Kenworth has perfectly blended performance with sustainability, showing that the future of trucking can be powerful, efficient, and unbelievably comfortable. So when you think about what a truck should be, the Kenworth T2000 2026 completely changes the conversation. It's more than transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade for drivers who spend their lives on the road. If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus, my channel, for more amazing reviews of the world's most luxurious machines. And tell me in the comments, would you choose to live in the 2026 Kenworth T2000 over a traditional home?